9:33, and it's at this point on Wednesdays we have for many years, a decade plus, featured Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Largely answering questions submitted by you. I'll tell you how to submit a question coming up in a moment in case you've ever been curious about something, and Bruce can clear it up for you. Would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How you doing this beautiful Sunday morning?
Excellent. Glad to be able to dry out a little bit. How about you?
Hey, I'm so happy when the sun shines.
I know. A little bit on the cool side for some, but at least the sun is out. That's the way I'm looking at it.
Yeah, well, it's better than being in Kansas City at minus 4 degrees.
You watched that game, did you?
I certainly did.
Yeah.
And, I had to put a blanket on just
to watch.
Watch the game.
Yeah. Well, sir, we've got another question. Somebody else encountering a little of life's difficulties. They need your assistance in. Are you ready for it?
I am ready, Todd.
Okay, so here's today's email. It says, my wife was crossing the streets in a crosswalk when one of our neighbors driving a golf cart struck her. I took my wife to the hospital. The emergency room doctor indicated my wife had a broken hip, which would need surgery and months of therapy. The person driving the golf cart gave me his car insurance information. The insurance company says they are not responsible because a golf cart is not a motor vehicle. I was surprised considering so many people in our area use golf carts to travel the roads, run errands, etc. I have full coverage on my cars, but now I am not sure my insurance will cover the accident. Would you ask the lawyer if what I'm being told is true? Is there anything a lawyer could do to help? I certainly do feel for her. A broken hip, that is a painful and long ordeal to deal with. So what do you make of this, Bruce?
Well, the insurance company for a change is correct. Car insurance does not apply to golf carts.
Okay.
So the injured party would have to pursue the homeowner's coverage of the golf cart owner and driver.
I remember us talking about this, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully the golf cart is not excluded from the homeowner's policy. There is some homeowner's policy that excludes golf carts. So if the golf cart is not excluded from the homeowner's policy, it would take care of the damages sustained by this poor lady.
Yeah.
Now, they would be required to pay for the medical bills in the past, medical bills in the future, loss of income or loss of wages, if that's applicable, pain and suffering, and all the other items of damages. Now, there is one other possibility, and we don't have enough information. If a golf cart has an engine of over 20 horsepower and it's licensed to drive on the road, in that case, automobile insurance could kick in, and our friend uninsured motorist coverage could kick in.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and he does have full coverage, so that would be good.
Yeah, we don't have that information, but that's a possibility.
You know what jumps to my mind here is that you said that I guess insurance companies may be getting a little bit wise about the fact that a lot of folks have golf carts and use them frequently, so they're starting to have exclusions in their policies. When you take out a homeowner's policy, very few of us read every single word of that policy. That should be something, if we have a golf cart, we should really look carefully for, right?
Absolutely. It's important in your homeowner's insurance, number one, to cover golf carts, and number two, which is a big deal, is dog bites.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of homeowners coverage excludes dog bites.
Yeah.
That's something very important to cover.
And I know, and I extend this offer, and I hope it's okay for me to do so. I know that if anybody wonders what their policy exactly covers and doesn't, if they want to call your office, and I'll give the phone number out in a moment for that, you'll be glad to help them figure that out.
Absolutely.
All right, Bruce. Well, thank you once again for helping out. They got a couple of avenues to go down, but they're going to need a legal professional to start pursuing those avenues, is the way I'm seeing it.
Yeah, I'd be happy to help any way I could.
Terrific, Bruce. And you've already helped by shedding some light on this, and we appreciate it as always. Looking forward already to talking to you next week.
I am too, Todd. Thank you.
All right. Take care now, Bruce. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And our question of the week. If you'd like to submit a question for future consideration, all you have to do is go to our website and put the keyword Bruce in the search box. That'll take you where you need to go. If you'd like to get a quick review of your policy like we mentioned a moment ago, or if you're in some kind of trouble like this situation and you'd like to get immediate help, call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner, 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. Tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.